advocating for the value of pathology services, and learn to apply gynecologic biomarker protocols with confidence. This and more coming up next on Path News Network. Hello and welcome to Path News Network Daily Edition, powered by the College of American Pathologists. I'm Nancy Johnson. It's Monday, August 4th. Here are the latest headlines. Join the CAP in the fight to defend the value of pathology services as Medicare's 2026 proposed payment rule hits the table. CMS plans to introduce new efficiency adjustments that negatively affect specialists like pathologists. A free webinar happening tomorrow afternoon will explain these adjustments and other changes, and outline what CAP leaders are doing to reverse these arbitrary cuts to pathology services. Find the link to register in the show notes. Also tomorrow, get practical guidance you can use right away on gynecologic biomarker protocols. Join a free CAP webinar led by Cancer Protocols authors Dr. Galisa Trushvili and Dr. Anthony Karnesis. They'll share the testing rationale for key biomarkers, including ER-PR, P53, PD-L1, and more. Go to the link in the show notes to register. Pathologists looking to sharpen their skills in breast cancer diagnostics and earn CME credit can enroll now in a new online program happening this fall. CAP members Dr. Weena Zhang and Dr. Bradley Turner are scheduled to lead several of the multidisciplinary breast pathology online courses during the 3-day workshop. The material covers everything from HER2 testing guidelines to molecular analysis of specimens. Register now via the link in the show notes. Finally, win up to $10,000 to improve patient care. The CAP Foundation is now accepting applications for the 2025 John H. Rippey Grant for Laboratory Quality Assurance. It honors the memory of CAP member Dr. Rippey, a champion for lab excellence. The grant supports short-term, high-impact projects that promise to advance quality assurance and patient safety in pathology. The application link is in the show notes. Apply by September 2nd. That's all for today's edition of Path News Network. Be sure to watch your email inbox for more news like this in the CAP's advocacy newsletter every Tuesday and our weekly edition newsletter on Thursdays. We're back tomorrow at 5 a.m. Eastern. Subscribe to this show on Apple, Spotify, or your favorite podcast platform. I'm Nancy Johnson. Have a great day.